Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura Giga 5 here. Came in because there was a problem with the temperature sensor, and that was just indicated by an error code here on the screen. As you can see, there is no more error code. Here's that old sensor, and now I'm just going to pull a shot of espresso to show you that the machine is working. There we have our shot of espresso. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.